Hey everyone, welcome to day 4 of Fit in 30. I'm Alyson Stoner. I'm from Camp Rock, Step Up, Miss Yellow Videos, yada yada yada, and I'm so excited to work out with you. If you didn't know, Fit in 30 is 30 days of free workouts brought to you by FabFitFunTV. As a FabFitFun member, you not only have access to incredible, amazing products 4 times a year, but you also have FabFitFunTV. That means hundreds of free workouts and cooking shows that you can stream anywhere, anytime. So, we're giving you the sneak peek of these workouts right here, right now. Let's go ahead and get started. Today's workout is brought to you by moi. I've been dancing since I was 3 years old, so I wanted to teach you some OG hip-hop dance vocabulary. We're gonna do 3 rounds of 3 moves, 2 dance moves plus 1 traditional workout move, and it's all about your own expression, trying something new, and having fun. So, let's start up with a warm-up. Just get the blood flowing. Give me a jump rope if you want. You can do jumping jacks. You can even march in place if you need to. The whole point of this is simply to get your heart rate up and get your body loose so that when we stretch, it's more dynamic and you're less prone to injury, because who wants that? Like I said, you can give me a jumping jack if you want. March it out. Feel the blood flowing. Keep the neck loose, limbs as loose as possible. This is your time and your moment of the day to take care of yourself, which is huge. I don't know about you, but I do not make enough time for self-care. All right, shake everything out. Some deep breaths as we lean across. Now, my form might not be technically perfect all the time, but I want you to just listen to your body and push yourself as you can, especially mentally. Sometimes I think half of the workout is just deciding that you can do it. So reach to the other side. Loosen your neck if you need to. I tend to carry so much tension in my shoulders and my neck. Take deep breaths. Whew. Bring it down into a lunge. Of course, you don't want your knee to overextend over your ankle. I've been dancing for so long and my knees feel like I'm 80 years old sometimes. And we'll go to the front. You might not come all the way down, that's okay. Wherever you land is okay. Maybe flex and point the toe a little bit. Continue rolling out the neck, because we'll need it for one of the moves. And go to the other side. Ooh, I just felt a nice little pop in there. I also find that it helps to kind of smile and treat this as a positive time, so you push yourself and it doesn't feel like torture during the day to work out. Nice, and we'll reverse the lunge. If you want, you can even put your knees down and grab behind. Whatever you need to do to loosen up the tightest muscles. And we'll bring it up. Now we're just gonna shake it out. Do some ankle rolls. Some wrist rolls. Small micro knee rolls. Good, good, good. Okay, I think you're ready. So, let's get into the basic bounce. We're gonna add this move one body part at a time. So start with your head just bobbing forward, like your favorite song just came on. You're like, ooh, that's my jam. Now we're gonna add the shoulders with it. Just a bounce, real loose. Nice. Now we're gonna have the hips. You're getting a little lower with it. Nice. The knees are getting involved. They wanted to be invited to the party. Now the last part of the move, we have side to side, back and forth, and the arms will go open, cross, open, cross. Some people say they can't dance, and I'm convinced they just haven't listened to their bodies and tried it. Everyone has their own language. So as you get a hold of this move, I want you to play around with it. You could do levels, you can go low, you can even like turn with it. However you want to do it, just keep that rock. As my dance mentor Showtime would say, it's all about the rock, especially with hip hop. If you'll notice, it's also cardio. So have fun with it, play around, try different variations. Maybe you double up and finish this off. All right, move 2, pepper seed. Kind of a weird name. You can step back out again. Your right arm is going to wave forward, then repeat with the left. Wave forward. If you don't know how to wave, cheat sheet. Shoulders, elbows, wrists, fingers. Same, shoulders, elbows, wrists, fingers. Now you're gonna step with your legs, left, right, left, right. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Try it with me. Reach right arm, left arm. Good. This is the basic version. If you want to step it up, add a groove. See how my chest starts rolling? Have fun with it. There's no right and wrong. It's just about getting active and playing with movement. Now, if you're weird like me, you can go into different legs with it. But it's all about keeping the pepper seed. I dare you throughout the day today to try this move out as different songs come on. And if your heart rate is not up, you are not moving enough. Play with the levels. Whew. Okay, breathe for a second. We're going into our first traditional workout move. So take it down to the floor. I'm not the greatest with push-ups at the moment because I've been taking a break. But you can even give me a regular push-up on your knee, or you can hold the plank and have your knee come to your elbow. Boom, boom. You get a different workout if you're pointing your foot or flexing it. These micro adjustments make a huge difference. Form is always key, so do what you can. I'll go through probably several of each. So again, if you're doing push-ups, I like to do slow push-ups. I think it challenges the muscles even more. Or if you need to come down on your knees. Try to keep those elbows tucked in. I'm sweating now. That's what I love about mixing dance with traditional fitness. You're never short of a good workout. All right, bring it up. Round 2. We're starting with a really fun move called the whop. The whop is all about the neck and the head. So just whop back and forth with me. Whoom. Whoom. Nice. I know you've done this before and you're like, woo-hoo! It's a good day, feeling fine. Now we're gonna add the arms to that. Rock back and forth. Don't forget the head. Now if you want, and you should, try it, get low and maybe step with it. Step back and forward. Hey, back and forward. Now play around again. I'm gonna keep using the word play. I'm convinced this doesn't have to be a drag. Maybe try a different direction change. Hey. And this is your low-key move because the one coming up, it's kind of intense. So have fun with this. Hey, hey, ah, ah. Okay, good job. You're doing great. The next move I'm dedicating to my mentor, Showtime. This is a little bit of a mind game, so go with me. Hop to the right, forward. Next side, left, forward, out, in, again, out, in. That pattern is side, forward, out, In, out, in. The arms reach the same direction. Side, forward, up, down, up, down. Again, side, forward, forward. Slowly with the legs, here we go. Out, out, up, down, up, down. We're gonna keep it speeding up here. And 1, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Get low with it. Get lower with it. Go faster with it. Go faster with it. Think about being in a street dance circle. And if you can, try going in a circle. You should be out of breath a little bit. Push yourself. Almost there. All right. Woo. I need just 1 second. Grab some water if you need it. If you're ready to keep moving, come down to the floor with me. This is number 2 in our second round. Arms go behind you. Keep your back as flat as possible. Raise your knees. You don't have to be killer and straighten them. Not in my class today. We're gonna extend and pull forward. So, I call this a V-up. There are so many different terms for all of these moves. You can do them slow and controlled, or you can do speed as well. I always prefer slow and controlled to contrast the higher intensity cardio from the dance. The reason I like variation is because all of these feel like a break from the previous move. I'm sweating like crazy. I hope you are too. Don't leave me hanging. After this, we only have 1 round left. You're doing great. You can even lift your arms off if you wanted. I just prefer the support. After this, we'll give our stomachs a quick little stretch, maybe a micro bend back. Roll it forward. 1 more round. 2 dance moves, 1 traditional move. You got this. This is called the ATL stomp. If you're from Atlanta, this one's for you. Very simplified version. Just take your right leg, kick twice. Kick, kick, hop. Other side, left. Kick, kick, hop. Kick, kick, hop. Boom, boom, ha. Hit, hit, stomp. Boom, boom. Hey. Now make some noise with this. If you're on the 2nd level in an apartment complex, let them know you're there. Hey, hey, hey. Play with directions. Get a little faster. And you know what? Add a stanky face. You're fed up with this. If you're from the ATL, give them the A. A, A. Ha. Hey, 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 hey. ATL stomp. Hey, hey, hey. Good. Almost there. You can do anything for 20 minutes, and we're so close. Ha. Hey, hey, hey. All right, the last dance move, I'm not gonna teach you how to do it because it's freestyle. Whew, what does that mean? When you panic at the club, when you panic even when you're in the shower and you're like, can I sing this note, can I perform? Let it all go right now. Just get your body moving. Whatever that means. Feel out your flavor. This might be uncomfortable for you because you're used to just following along. Use this time to challenge yourself, to trust yourself in a new way. Think about shapes. Maybe you're making all circle movements. Maybe you're going square and angles. Maybe you're just doing something we did today. If nothing else, give me that whop. Yeah. You gotta do something consistently every day. Put in your 10,000 hours, become a master. Hey. Almost there. Don't give up on yourself. Play with speed. Maybe you go slow-mo. Give you a little Michael. Hey, Shamo. Come on. Little monastery, hey. We have one traditional move left. Now, if you think you've gotten off easy, this one will give it to you. It's called quick feet. Put yourself back in football practice and get them going. This is your way of saying, even though I thought I was done, I have more. Mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, all of that. The people who are draining you, taking from you, use this as the reverse recharge. You're putting out energy, but you're taking care of yourself. And that should boost your spirit for the rest of the day, AKA a nice little endorphin rush. If you want to add an extra challenge, coordination, you can come in, out. Right, left. And of course, left, right. If this is too much, just walk it out. You can always stop if you actually need to, but try and push yourself. Lock in. Pick a spot on the wall in front of you, even if it's my forehead. Finish strong. This is meant to feel like the longest minute and a half ever. You can do anything for a minute and a half. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Wow, that was great. I'm sweating up a storm. I can't even imagine what my makeup looks like. Should have given up on that a long time ago. I hope you enjoyed this. You learned something new. Take a minute for yourself, cool down, stretch, grab some water, a towel, whatever you need for your body and your own health. And that was amazing. Thank you so much for letting me lead you today. Check back tomorrow for another free workout on FabFitFunTV. And if you haven't already, subscribe. See you later. Hey.